Every second has a weight. This one is yours. Own your time.
Around you. With Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation, you experience immersive silence.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. What if you only had a product link or even just a simple product image, and AI could automatically generate product showcase videos, UGC ads, and complete marketing creatives for you? Today, we're going to test an AI tool that can do exactly that in just a few minutes, and it's called Paulo AI. And honestly, I found the concept really interesting because this is not just a normal AI video generator, it's specifically optimized for product marketing, e-commerce ads, UGC campaigns, and social media creatives. And in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step 3 powerful workflows: URL to video ads, photo to video ads, UGC ads, video. And we'll see how AI can turn a simple product into a complete professional marketing ad. So let's get started. First, I open my browser and type Paulo AI in the search bar, or you can also directly access the platform using the link in the description below. After logging in, we immediately get access to the Marketing Studio dashboard, and honestly, the interface looks very clean and beginner-friendly. At the top section, we get multiple AI workflows like URL to video ads, photo to video ads, script to video ads, UGC ads, video clone video ads. So basically, depending on the content you already have, you can choose the workflow that fits your needs. And below that, we also get multiple ready-made templates like UGC product launch tutorial before and after selling points unboxing, which are especially useful for beginners. Now, without wasting any time, let's test its most powerful feature, URL to video ads. Here I simply paste a product link, and currently Paulo AI supports Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, and eBay product URLs. Now here we need to configure a few settings. First, we select the aspect ratio, then we choose the video length, and after that we select the language we want the video in. Next we choose the visual style, and once everything is ready, we simply click Generate. After that, we get an information collection page. From here, you can modify ad details and also choose the ad platform you want to optimize the video for. Then we click Confirm Now. Paulo AI automatically fetches all the product information. After that, the AI analyzes all the product images and generates multiple creative ad concepts automatically. Here you can select your preferred product images, preview them, and with one click continue to the next step. Then the AI generates multiple UGC-style video scripts. Once the scripts are generated, you can simply select your favorite one. And after that, Paulo AI automatically suggests the perfect AI avatar for your video. Once you select the avatar, the AI starts generating preview videos automatically, and then you simply choose your favorite clips. After that, with just one click, the full AI video starts generating complete with lip-sync captions and scenes.
All the noise around you. With Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation, you experience immersive silence that transforms how you listen every single day.
Okay, wow, honestly, the result looks very professional. And the crazy part is this complete ad was generated using just a product URL. Now, suppose you don't have a product URL and you only have a product image. In that case, we can use photo to video ads. Now here, I upload a luxury watch product image, and for a cinematic commercial feel, I'm also adding a custom prompt. Then I click on Auto. Here, multiple AI workflows are available, but to create a cinematic commercial, I'm selecting Story Video. Now here I configure the video settings aspect, ratio, video duration, language, and visual style. So the final output feels like a high-end cinematic YouTube commercial. Then we simply click Generate. Now here you can see that Paulo AI deeply analyzes the uploaded image. For example, this luxury watch has been transformed into a premium cinematic product story, which makes the advertisement feel even more professional. And if you like the generated concept, you can simply confirm it and continue to the next visual generation step. Here, Paulo AI gives you full creative control where you can customize the video length, aspect ratio, and overall visual style. And once all the settings are finalized, simply click Continue to start the AI video generation process. Now here, Paulo AI automatically generates a complete cinematic screenplay, including scene directions, camera movements, narration, and full visual storytelling. Everything is already planned automatically. And if you like the screenplay, simply confirm it and move to the next AI generation step. Now Paulo AI starts generating the actual cinematic story video. The AI automatically creates characters, scenes, storyboards, and cinematic video clips without any manual editing. And once the video is ready,
every second has a weight.
download the final video with just one click. Now let's move to the feature that almost every e-commerce brand is aggressively using today: UGC Ads Video today. TikTok and Instagram-style UGC ads are performing extremely well. So here we select UGC Video Ads, then we upload our product image. You can either use simple product images or create complete UGC-style ads using AI avatars. Here I selected the avatar-based workflow where multiple realistic creators and digital presenters are available. After selecting the avatar, I added a custom prompt so the AI can better understand the exact video style, presentation style, and creator vibe I want. Then you can customize aspect ratio, video length, ad platform, and language. And after that, simply click Generate to continue. As soon as you click Generate, Paulo AI asks for your product materials. Here you can either paste a direct product link or manually upload your product images and videos. I uploaded product images here so the AI can automatically analyze the product details, branding, and overall visual style. Then we click Generate again. After that, the AI asks you to confirm the final video settings such as video size, duration, and language. You simply select your preferred settings and click Confirm and Continue. As soon as you click Confirm and Continue, the product info page opens. Here the AI analyzes the uploaded images and can automatically fill in product details. You can also manually edit or add the product title and product description. In simple words, this step helps the AI properly understand the product, so the final UGC ad becomes more accurate and professional. After adding the details, simply click Confirm and Continue. Once the product details are confirmed, the AI automatically generates multiple UGC video scripts. Here, different script styles are available such as problem solution, motivational, and discovery. And you can simply select the script style you like the most. Now, based on the selected script, the AI generates a preview UGC video automatically. And now our UGC ad is ready. You can see how the avatar is speaking, how the subtitles appear, and how professional the overall ad looks. Now let's check the final output.
Serum, I discovered how to leave dullness behind and wake up each morning looking radiant and refreshed. I decided to revamp my routine, and Glow Essence Skincare Serum gave me that bright, hydrated...
Overall, honestly, Paulo AI Marketing Studio feels like a very practical AI tool, especially if you are a Shopify seller selling products on Amazon, running social media ads, managing a marketing agency, or exploring AI marketing tools. Then you should definitely check this platform out. And if you want to try Paulo AI Marketing Studio, I've added the official link in the description below. And right now, you can also get 20% off on credits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.